Click on the subscribe button and press the bell icon for watching more update videos. Thank you.
Assalamu alaikum friends, this is Sami and you are watching Civil Engineers YouTube channel. Dear friends, in this video lecture today I am gonna show you here the different types of estimation in construction work. This is the very important topic for today. Remember, for more videos you must like this video, share this video with your friends and subscribe this channel for more updates civil engineering videos, because per day I upload one video to this channel. So don't forget to like this video and subscribe this channel, and also share this video with your friends. If you need the civil engineering articles, civil engineering notes, new information about civil engineering, so you can visit my website www.civilglobal.com, and don't forget to like and subscribe this channel. Thanks. Let's start. First of all, I will tell you the main types of estimation in construction work. So the first one, we have a approximate estimate. Okay, first one is approximate estimate. And the second one is called detailed estimate. Remember, approximate estimate is also called a rough cost estimate. So, rough estimate. Okay, rough cost estimate or rough estimate. So, what is the difference between approximate estimate and detailed estimate? So, the first one I have to define here. Approximate estimate or rough estimate. Okay, the first one, simply we can define the rough estimate. This is an approximate estimate. This is an approximate estimate to find out an approximate cost in a short time. Simple, you can define approximate estimate is used. So this is an approximate estimate to find out an approximate cost in a short time. An approximate estimate we can find out with the help of plinth area, or square meter method, and second, we can find out the approximate estimate with the help of cost, material, and labor. The cost of materials and labors. Okay. Also, the third one, approximate quantities with the bill method. Okay, and also same like this plinth area. So the fourth one we can also say is that we can find out the approximate or rough estimate with the help of cubic rate or cubic meter method. So with these steps we can find out the approximate estimate or rough cost estimate. Okay, and now we have the second one. I have to to tell you detail estimate, how we can define detail estimate. Okay, so simply you can say detail estimate. So the second one is detail estimate. Okay, so we can say how we can define the detail estimate. So quantity of all item of work are calculated from their respective dimension. So you can say quantity or quantity of materials, quantity of simply quantity of materials of work, quantity of materials of work are calculate according to respective dimensions, respective dimensions on the drawing on a measurement sheet. Simple definition of detailed estimate. So you can say that quantity of materials of work are calculated according to the respective dimension on the drawing on measurement sheet. Okay, so we can find out the detailed estimate with the help of, so I'm just using the second sheet. Okay, so you can find out the detailed quantity with the help of reports. Second, specification of work. We can say the third one, we have a design data calculation. And also we can say the basis of area adopt. The basis of rates. The basis of rates adopt, or the basis of rates adopted in the estimate. Okay, so these are the steps by which we can find out the detailed estimate. So this is the topic for today.